Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Your Honor. Court's going to call the docket for February the 15th, 2022. Case number 536-528, State versus Hector Gonzalez, Mary Petrachick. Mary Petrachick, no response. Hector Gonzalez, absent. 574-048, State versus David Drew, attorney. Paul Goki. David Drew is absent. Paul Goki, no response.
You make the calls or okay, I will do that only.
Pardon me? 577-041, State versus Jesse Vasquez, attorney. Ricardo Ramos. Jesse Vasquez is absent. Ricardo Ramos, likewise, no response. 598-357, State versus Giselle Gonzalez Sanchez, attorney. John Perez Jr.
I'm here, Judge.
Good morning, Ms. Gonzalez Sanchez.
Good morning.
Have you heard from your attorney?
Está bien,
Yes, he'll be about 5 minutes late, a couple minutes late.
All righty. Thank you. 605-670, State versus Aaron Lopez, attorney. Brian De La Rosa.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. De La Rosa. Aaron Lopez.
Yes, sir. Present, Your Honor.
Good morning. Brian De La
Morning.
Rosa.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. And I also have Joshua Terrell. I believe he's last on the list. And I think he's there in person.
In court.
Yes, Your Honor. That was the plan. I see a couple people in the back. I think that might be them.
Joshua Terrell. Deputy, is he in the courtroom? It's muted. Joshua Terrell.
Judge, this is a bailiff. No one has checked in with
Terrell.
him.
What are you gonna be doing, Brian?
I need to confer on both of those, Your Honor.
I would think so. The Aaron Lopez case has been reset 16 times, Brian.
Yes, Your Honor. Only about maybe 2 of those was on my account. I think the other ones are COVID resets. I have been working diligently on that case. I'm hoping I can get a.
All right, we're gonna put you
answer
number
on that.
one to confer on both of them.
Sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 613-958, State versus Dion Todd.
Present, Your Honor.
Mr. Todd, have you hired an attorney?
Negative, Your Honor.
Pardon me?
That's a negative, Your Honor.
All right. You were declined on your application before. Has your financial status changed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you going to reapply or are you going to hire somebody?
I'm going to reapply, Your Honor.
All righty. Then stick around and we'll deal with you after a while.
Yes, sir.
615342, State versus David Lopez, attorney. Joanne Akel.
Judge, that case is reset.
Reset. You mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 13 cases are reset?
Yes,
It's been reset 11 times before.
yes, but
617-936, State versus Bryce Charles, attorney. Tony Hernandez.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present. Judge, that's a PTD app that we're waiting to be approved. If we could have 30 days, I would think.
All right, then we'll reset you 30 days for PTD.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
You are excused. Thank you.
Thank you. Bryce, you can log off.
625-248, State versus Amanda Rael, R-A-E-L, attorney, Luis Martinez.
Judge, she's present with counsel. How are you, sir?
Good morning. How
I'm
are
here,
you?
Your Honor.
Good
Judge,
morning.
we'd like to confer if at all possible.
You're number 2 to confer, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 627-377, State versus Kristen Porter, attorney, Stacy Kraus. Kristen Porter,
I'm here.
good morning, Ms. Porter.
Good morning.
Stacy Kraus, no response at this time. 627, stick around, ma'am. 627-923, State versus Jason Vargas, attorney, Mark LaHood. Jason Vargas, absent. Mark LaHood, no response. 629-185, State versus Marcus Bolden, attorney, Robert Barons, judge. Marcus Bolden is absent. Judge Barons, no response. 629-509, State versus Silverio Alonso, attorney, Julie Pollack.
She's running late.
She is, and Mr. Alonso is a fugitive, and he is not here at this time. Marked absent. 631-636, State versus Aaron Hurtado, attorney, George Sherman II.
Good morning, Judge, President.
Good morning, Mr. Hurtado. George Sherman, no response at this time. Stick around, sir. 632-996, State versus Miranda Reyes, attorney, Joe Stenberg.
Howdy, Your Honor. She has 5 cases in your court, but she has felony pending in the 290th.
Sounds like she's got a bucket of trouble. Is she here?
Yes,
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Good morning, Mr. Reyes.
Good morning, Your
Why don't we give you
Honor.
a felony pending 60 days.
thank you.
See how the dust settles, Joe.
Thank you.
It's been reset 14 times, so we're not going to be able to do that much more.
I understand.
636-384, State versus Miguel Barbosa, attorney, Ronald Zimmerman.
Yes, Judge, I am present. I believe he is in custody. He's on bond on this charge, Judge, but he has a felony in the 379th. I believe he's in custody on.
All right. Well, we'll give you a felony pending reset if you choose.
Yes, Judge, I think that would be appropriate, if you so choose.
60-day reset, felony pending. Let's let the dust settle.
All right, thank you.
Anything else, Ron?
Nope, that'll be it, Judge, if I may be
right.
excused.
You are excused, sir. Take care.
Thank
Stay
you.
safe. 639-976, State versus James Franco, attorney, George Sherman II.
President, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Franco.
Good morning, Your Honor.
George Sherman. No response.
Excuse me, Judge.
Pardon me?
I'm so sorry. Does that mean I was excused already? I apologize.
Ms. Reyes?
Yes, sir.
We do. Yes, you're excused, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you. 640-595, State versus Rosendo Sanchez, attorney, Ruben Flores.
Right here, Your Honor.
Mr. Sanchez, good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
And
Judge,
Ruben
present,
Flores,
Judge.
attorney.
I'm present, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Flores.
Morning, Judge.
What are your wishes for this morning?
Judge, my client has multiple cases, but we need a trial setting, Judge.
Trial setting it is. Ms. Flores,
April 22nd.
put it on your calendar, Ruben, April 22nd, and you're excused, stay safe. 640-999, State versus Daniel Ruiz Zuniga, attorney, Suzanne
Yes,
Kramer.
Judge. How are
Yes,
you
sir, Your
doing?
Honor. Okay.
I am well.
Judge, Mr. Zuniga, I actually do have the PTD app from him. He was a little late in getting me some references, so I finally bugged him enough yesterday that he got me the reference names the state wants. So I will be submitting that to the DA's office today.
All right, 30-day reset for PTD.
Thank you. And Judge, I've got two more cases.
Let's have them.
Jeremiah Gonzalez, I believe he's in the Zoom, but honestly, I don't know for sure.
Suzanne, give me the case number.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Page 5, Judge, 659130.
Six five nine one three zero, State versus Jeremiah Gonzalez.
And he's the same situation, Judge. I have the PTD app that I have from him, and I was just waiting for him to get me the final bit of information, but I've got it. So I will forward that to the DA's office today.
We'll reset you 30 days on that one too, Ms. Kramer.
Thank you, Judge. And the last one, I need to confer with the prosecutor. She's on page 10, 671-604, Georgiana Chavita Lopez. I don't know if she's in the Zoom.
I'm here.
Okay, great.
What's the
And I
case
just-
number?
671-604, Georgiana Chavita Lopez.
That's on page 10.
Page 10 is what I wrote down.
Page 9, Judge.
Oh,
Yeah.
my bad. Sorry, Judge.
671-604, Georgiana Lopez Chavira.
Here, Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to you.
And we'll put you to confer, Suzanne.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 642285, State versus Luke Conrad, attorney, George Manning.
Judge, that case has been reset.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Mhm.
642564, State versus Joel Hernandez, attorney, Eduardo Jimenez.
Yes, Judge, I'm here. How are you?
Good morning. Who
I'd
is
just
here?
like to I would just like to confer with the state on that case, Your
Who
Honor.
is
I'm
here? Who is here?
Present in the
Eduardo
courtroom.
Jimenez, Your Honor, I'm here.
Okay, Mr. Jimenez, thank you. And Mr. Joel Hernandez?
Present in the courtroom.
Thank you, sir. All right, Mr. Jimenez.
Yes, Your Honor, if I may confer with the prosecution on these cases.
You are scheduled to confer. Thank you.
Thank you.
642605, State versus Richard Vathy, attorney, Ben Stevenson.
Resetting felony pending.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mhm.
643549, State versus Sean Green, attorney, Ivan Barrera.
Good morning, sir.
We're both present.
Good morning to you both. Ivan,
Judge, I'd like to confirm this case, and I got two more.
all right, where are the others?
Next one, it's on that same page, Judge, 645319.
State versus Jason McCray. Jason McCray. Jason McCray.
Jason, can you unmute yourself?
Jason McCray is absent.
I'll get in contact with him, Judge. I'd like to confirm that one as well.
All righty.
And then the last one, it's on the very next page, the very first one, 648332.
Which page?
The very next page, Judge, page 4.
Okay, page 4. And that is 648332, State versus Alicia Garcia.
Yes, here, Your
Good
Honor.
morning, Ms. Garcia.
Morning.
And Judge, I'd like to confer on this one as well. And may Mr. Green and Ms. Garcia be excused for the day.
You are both excused for the day, but stay in communication with your attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Barrera, you may confer. You are scheduled to do so. 644015, State versus Nicholas Martinez, attorney, Carolyn Wendland.
That case has been reset, Judge.
Reset
Yes, sir.
already.
Good morning, Your Honor. So I've been trying to contact my lawyer and he doesn't answer.
Mr. Gonzalez, why
Yes,
don't
sir.
you wait until I call the docket, then you can tell me all about it.
Okay.
649164, State versus Adam Acosta, attorney, Stephen Gilmore. Adam Acosta is absent. Stephen Gilmore, attorney, likewise. 652238, State versus Silvestre Garcia Vasquez, attorney, Linda Corley.
That one's gonna be recalled for Friday, the 18th.
Recall Friday.
Mhm.
Thank you, ma'am. 652407, State versus Circe Caniedo, attorney, Michael Bellavo.
I am present, Your Honor. I don't see my client present. I did send her a text, but I have not heard back.
Ms. Caniedo? Marked absent.
I also have one more on page 8. 669601. It's Raquel Zapata. And she's
669601. She's in jail?
she's in custody with felonies pending.
All right. We'll reset you 60 days.
Thank you, Judge.
See what you can do to expedite this. I don't like waiting 60, but when it's a felony.
I have been trying.
All right, sir. Thank you. Are you handling the felony?
Yes, I am.
All right, Michael. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Let me know about your other client. If she appears, we need to know.
If I can track her down, I will come back on.
Thank you. 654098, State versus Reynaldo Barrientos, attorney, Daniel Vela.
I'm here and present, Your Honor. Good morning. Mr. Barrientos is also here.
All right, sir.
And I would like to be in your conferring stack, Your Honor.
You are scheduled to confer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Six four nine 640, State versus Michael Romo, attorney, Frank Muniz. Michael Romo is absent. Frank Muniz, attorney, likewise. Six five four 821, State versus Stanley Hayward, attorney, Thomas Limon.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present.
Good morning, Mr. Hayward.
I haven't been able to
Limon,
speak
attorney.
Yes, I haven't been able to speak with him. He hasn't returned any of my calls.
All right. I'm marking him not present, not responding. We'll see what happens. Stick around. 655437, State versus Jacob Thomas, attorney, Ashley Morgan.
Good morning, Judge. This is Ashley Morgan. Mr. Thomas is present.
Good
We,
morning.
he's got an unfiled case where I'll confer with the state if he can be released.
You are scheduled to confirm him.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, Judge. This is Stanley. What was that for Thomas, my lawyer?
Mr. Hayward, your attorney is Thomas Limon, Limon,
Correct.
Limon.
Okay.
Stick around.
Thank you.
658579, State versus Roberto Alfaro, attorney, Efraín Torres.
That case is reset, Judge.
Thank you, ma'am. 658625, State versus Ruben Benavides, attorney, Jason Nitz.
Jason called this morning asking for a reset felony pending.
All right. Then we're going on to page 6. 659790, State versus Andres Silva Juarez, attorney, Jonathan Reitmeyer. Andres Silva Juarez is absent. Attorney Jonathan Reitmeyer, likewise, no response. 661233, State versus Randall Lewis, attorney, Ed Piker.
Mr. Piker is running late.
Pardon me?
Mr. Piker is running late.
Okay. What about Randall Lewis? Is absent?
No, he's on, Judge. Speak up, Mr. Lewis, please.
Wait until after the beep to speak.
There you are.
Present.
All right, Mr. Lewis, stick around. Go to your attorney. 661-421, State versus Cynthia Palamo, attorney. Milton Butler III.
We're both present, Your Honor. I need to confer.
You are scheduled to confer. 661-522, State versus Juan Peña Cáceres, no attorney.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm currently here.
Mr. Peña Cáceres, have you hired an attorney?
I thought I did. I had a law firm reach out to me, was just the attorney that I got appointed to for my recent charge. It used to be Ivan Barrera, but I believe he withdrew from the case.
Well, do you have an attorney? Have you hired one?
No, sir.
Are you able to hire an attorney?
I could, sir, yes.
All right, I'm gonna reset this for 2 weeks. I want you to come back in with an attorney.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right,
Am I dismissed, Your Honor?
you
Hold
are
on.
at this time. Don't forget to be back in 2 weeks.
March 1st.
March 1st. Yes, Your Honor.
You know what? Make that March 2nd.
Okay. Okay.
662-065, State versus Sergio Trevino. He is currently incarcerated. William Chumley is attorney. Mr. Trevino, we know his presence. He's in jail. William Chumley.
I saw Mr. Chumley on now.
William Chumley. No response. 662-132, State versus Daniel de la Cruz. Attorney Ray Lopez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
President
Good morning.
Mr. De La Cruz has a felony. I'd ask for a reset felony pending.
Well, I'll give it to you, but he's got a warrant. He's a fugitive. I'm not going to reset him with a warrant. Mr. De La Cruz,
Yes, sir.
are you present?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, very good. Mr. Lopez, you going to look into this thing with a warrant?
Sure, Judge.
Check it out. Let us know what's going on. 662-536, State versus Latrice Maula Latrice Williams, attorney, Mary Petracek.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm here.
Ms. Williams, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Mary Petracek. No response from Ms. Petracek. 662-846, State versus Cristina Gomez. Ms. Williams, stick around, wait for Ms. Petracek.
Yes, sir.
Cristina Gomez in jail. Marshall White is attorney.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. White.
Yes, Judge, Ms. Gomez has two cases on the docket. 846 and 847, I think is the case right after that one. She also has a felony pending, Judge. I'm on that case. So I guess we'd ask for a reset. They all arose out of the same episode.
I'll reset you 60 days.
Sounds good to me, Judge.
Felony
May I be
pending.
excused?
You are, Mr. White. Take care. Stay safe.
You too, Judge.
663155, State versus Brandon Garcia. No attorney. Brandon Garcia.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Garcia. Have you hired a lawyer?
No, sir.
Are you able to hire a lawyer?
No, sir.
Are you going to do something about that? What do you intend to do?
I was hoping to get a court-appointed lawyer. If that's
Okay, then
possible.
you're gonna have to apply for one.
Okay.
Stick around and we'll tend to you.
Yes, sir.
663-626, State versus Skylar Polk, attorney, Brian O'Donnell.
Good morning, Your Honor. I don't see my client on the Zoom. I don't know if he's in the courtroom. We would be asking to confer.
Skylar Polk, as of right now, is absent. We'll schedule you to confer, Mr. O'Donnell.
Thank you, Your Honor.
664043, State versus Lawrence Gavin.
Your Honor.
Attorney Arlene Gay.
This is Arlene Gay. I'm present. My client is in custody and he has a felony pending directly related to his misdemeanor. We'd ask for a reset felony pending.
You want 30 or 60?
60, please.
Makes sense since there's got a lot of dust to settle, huh? All right. You have anything else, ma'am?
No, I do not. May I be excused, Your
You
Honor?
are excused. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Stay safe. 664360, State versus Pedro Gonzalez. Attorney James Dwiggins.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Gonzalez.
Like as I was telling you earlier, I've been trying to contact my lawyer and he doesn't answer. I emailed him and
Okay, well, we'll wait a little while. If we can get him in, we'll see what's going on.
Okay.
664505, State versus Juan Amaya. Attorney Ray Lopez.
Judge, I need to confer on that one. Mr. Amaya should be present.
I agree with you. Juan Amaya.
Yes, sir. I'm right here. I'm present.
Good morning, Mr. Amaya.
Good morning.
Mr. Lopez, you're going to confer on that, you said?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Thank you. 664610, State versus Eric Vigil. Attorney Efraín Torres.
It's been reset, Judge.
Need that.
Eric Vigil, is that you answering? All right.
No.
665102, State versus Elda Ruiz. Attorney Cesar Serna.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Judge, we're going to be applying for pretrial diversion. We just
Okay,
need to
is your
fill out the
client here, though?
application. Sorry, Judge?
Is your client here?
Judge, I don't know. I just logged on right now, Judge.
Okay, I don't hear an answer from Ms. Ruiz. Elda Ruiz,
I'm here.
I'm marking her absent right now.
She's here, Judge.
Hello,
She's here.
Elda Ruiz. Yes, I see her. All right, very good. You're gonna apply for PTD?
Yes, Judge.
Let's give you the first 30 days and see how that shakes out.
Okay, Judge, that works.
Anything else, Cesar?
That's it, Your Honor.
And you and Ms. Ruiz are excused. Thank you. Stay safe.
Have a good day. Have a good day, Judge.
You too. 665372, incarcerated Kenneth Ball, attorney.
I'm here.
Randall Greiner.
Morning, Judge. He has a felony pending as well, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, he does, in the 144th.
Right, and I'm not representing him on that, so I have no idea of what the status is on that.
All right, we'll reset you felony pending. Let's give you 60.
Thank you, Judge.
Because you've got one,
That's it.
two, three, 4 cases here and one felony. 665, you're excused, Mr. Greiner, unless you got something else.
No, I need to go to another court. Thank you, Judge.
All right, take care, stay safe. 665493, State versus Christopher Huerta. Attorney Nathan Slamane.
I'm here, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Huerta.
Nathan is running late.
All righty, stick around, Mr. Huerta.
Yes, sir.
666818, State versus Devaney Blancardi. Attorney Andres Campion.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How do you say your last name?
Blancarte.
Blancarte, okay. And have you heard from your attorney, Mr. Campion?
No, sir.
Okay, we're marking him not responding at this point. Stick around. 666910, State versus Loive Jimenez Castillo. Attorney Ruperto Garcia.
Your Honor, I'm here. Well, truthfully, I screwed up my client's ability to get over here. We had a federal a plea, and I thought it was this morning, and so I told him I was gonna file a motion for continuance. But then they told me it was this afternoon, and he went to work. So what do you mean? I thought we were gonna change the date, so I kind of screwed him up.
Well, I'm gonna reset you either way because this is a no file case at this point.
Okay, Your Honor, thank you. Thank you, I appreciate that. I was worried that I.
Didn't know how much time we're given.
What kind of case is it? DWI 60 days?
All right, 60 days reset, no file.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. And
You're excused.
he's got two cases, though, or both of them
Right.
here.
Right,
Okay.
both of them reset.
All right, thank you, Your Honor, appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Am I excused? I'm sorry, Your Honor, am I excused, or do I wait for the?
You're excused unless you got something else.
No, that's it. Thank you, Your Honor, appreciate that.
All right, 668984, State versus Robert Garcia. Attorney Thomas Limon. Thomas Limon, no response. Robert Garcia, absent. Let's see, next page. 670064, State versus Johnny Valderas, attorney, Jose Rocha.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jose Rocha.
All righty. Good morning, Mr. Rocha. Is your client here? I thought I heard somebody else answer.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, good. Mr. Rocha, what are you doing this morning?
Your Honor, I need to confer with the district attorney's office.
All righty. Then we're gonna schedule you to confer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 672025, State versus Rosita Oaxaca, attorney Gary Martin.
Your Honor, I'm here for Mr. Barton. It's my partner.
Who's here?
Yes,
for
sir, I'm
Mr.
here.
Barton? Who's
Here
here
for
for Mr. Barton?
Your Honor.
It's
Mr. Barton, partner.
Austin Hagee?
Yes, Your Honor.
You'd help me if you actually identify yourself when you answer. I had to look for you on the screen. Austin Hagee. All right. And is your client Rosita
I'm here,
Oaxaca
Your Honor.
Pardon me?
I'm here.
There you are. Yes, ma'am. All right, Mr. Hagee, what are you doing this morning, Mr. Martin?
Your Honor, I already have a felony ADA reviewing her felony case to allow a package deal. We have a court date on February 25th. I just asked if we could be reset after February 25th so I can know what's happening with that felony case.
All right. Linda, give us a date after February 25th.
After February 25th. How about March the 3rd?
All right. March 3rd it is. Anything else, Mr. Barton? Mr. Hagee?
Nothing further, Your Honor. May my client and I be excused?
You are both excused. Thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you, Your Honor.
672271, State versus Louis Levine. Attorney Michael Zamora.
Mr. Zamora's running late.
All right. And his client is not running at all, is absent. 673723, State versus Jose Ortiz. Attorney Joseph Stateson.
Good morning, Your Honor. My client's present. Mr. Ortiz, can you announce present?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here.
All righty. Good morning to you. What are you doing, Joe?
On this case, we had tried getting an offer, and I need to confer with the state because there may be a sealed case. I need to check if they filed something or not.
All right. You're scheduled to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
673757, State versus Andrew Towie. Attorney Andrew Freilich.
I'm here, Your Honor. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Judge. I'm here too. We just need to.
Mr. Freilich?
Good morning, Judge. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm doing two Zooms at once. We need to confer.
All righty. Things are a little slow, Andy, for you.
No problem, Judge. We'll just do the best we can, right?
Yes, sir. 673931, State versus Todd Wyatt. Attorney Thomas Kaiser.
Good morning, Judge. Shane Kaiser here for Tom, and I see our client on the Zoom. Mr. Wyatt. Sandy, just unmute yourself and just say hello.
I don't hear him, but
He's there, Judge. It's Sandy's iPhone.
okay, if you see him, that's good enough. All right, what are you gonna do?
Well, Judge, he is not driving, and I'm happy to confer with the state. I do have a letter from his employer, Mr. Walker, and so I'm happy to confer this morning.
All right, then we're putting you to confer, Mr. Kaiser.
Thank you, Judge.
674-251, State versus, you're welcome, sir. Kobe Sullivan, attorney. James Mayra. Kobe Sullivan, absent. James Mayra, likewise. 675-267, State versus Jesus Mendoza, attorney. Tim Roundtree.
Jesus Mendoza here, sir.
I'm sorry?
This is Jesus Mendoza.
Good morning, Mr. Mendoza.
Good morning, sir. I know my lawyer, he said he was going to be running late.
You have to, when you're in here, you have to think that you're in the courtroom, so that means you have to uncover. Take your cap off, please.
Okay.
I appreciate
sorry
that.
about that.
You know,
Yeah.
it's just the rules. You have to think and act like you're in the courtroom. So, Tim Roundtree,
Oh, okay, so these two.
he's no response at this time. It's not like him. He probably is somewhere else.
Yeah, he said he was going to be in another hearing.
Okay, other court. Stick around and wait for him, please.
All right, thank you.
677-241, State versus Patricia Burley, attorney. Ernst.
Present in the courtroom, Your Honor.
Good morning.
For Jose
And
Ortiz.
Kyle Ernst. Kyle Ernst, attorney, no response. Stick around,
We need to
Patricia.
file for a.
Mary Petracek, as I live and breathe.
Oh, sorry, Judge, I forgot to
677-27.
unmute my.
Hello,
Oh, yes, Judge, I'm sorry, I forgot to mute myself.
okay. 677-275, State versus Adam Garcia. Catherine Valenzuela is attorney.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present. I believe that the file hasn't been, or it hasn't been filed yet,
There is no file, you are correct.
and
We'll reset you.
Mr. And for the court's knowledge, Mr. Garcia, I don't see Mr. Garcia. Online, I am talking to the bondsman to get him here, but I know there's no file.
Yeah, I'm not gonna make a fuss out of it because there's no file. I'm not gonna issue a warrant or anything because there's no file. How was your surgery for your eyes? You okay?
It's blurry, but I'm good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. And the good doctor doing all right?
He is, Your Honor.
All right. I'm gonna reset you. Let's say he's got a felony pending, doesn't he?
No, I believe it was just, I am not sure, but I know it's a DWI second, so I believe we're waiting on results.
Well, yours is a DWI second, but there's a unindicted felony. So I'm gonna give you 60 days reset.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let the dust settle. You're excused unless you got something else, Kathy. 677-295, State versus Israel Flores, attorney, Bob Hicks.
Good morning, Your Honor, and how are you today?
Okay, how are you, Bob?
I'm all right. I survived Valentine's Day.
Israel Flores?
He is in the courtroom, I believe.
Israel Flores in the courtroom?
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. Bob, what are you doing this morning?
I'd like to have a reset to look a little further into the discovery.
We'll give you 30 days.
Thank you.
All righty.
Your Honor, may I approach? This is Jose Rocha.
May Mr. Flores and I be excused?
You can be excused, Bob.
And
Mr.
is your-
Rocha, what have you got?
Yes, Your Honor, I just came back from speaking with the district attorney's office. I was given an
Give me the
offer.
case number you're referring to, please, Jose.
Yes, Your Honor. It is 670064.
67.
0064.
Okay, so that should be on page 9. 670064. What you got?
Your Honor, I got an offer from the district attorney, a brief reset so that I can speak to my client about that. And
How about 2 weeks or 3 weeks?
I think 3 weeks will be best, Your Honor.
All right, offer 3-week recall.
Yes.
Okay.
Your Honor, may
Your Honor.
Anything else,
Mr. Flores
Mr.
not be
Rocha?
excused?
May I be excused, Your Honor?
Hello, Mr. Rocha, do you have anything else?
That is all, Your Honor.
Okay.
May I
then
be excused
you-
too, Ms. Rocha?
May I be allowed to
Johnny?
speak, please?
Johnny Balderas.
All right, now that things are quiet, I'm not going to be talking over people, okay? Mr. Rocha and Mr. Balderas, you are now excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a great day.
You too, stay safe. 677-313, State versus Shara Zambrano, attorney Miguel Hernandez III.
Mr. Hernandez is running late.
Okay. And let it be noticed that I enunciate carefully. Shara Zambrano is absent at this time. 677-327, State versus Joe Badillo, attorney Barry Hitchings.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Badillo.
Morning.
Barry Hitchings. No response. 677-375, State versus Oigres Garcia, attorney David Hardaway.
Judge, we're resetting that case, no file.
Okay,
Your Honor, may I approach
who seeks to approach?
Bob Hicks? I was just
Bob?
going to ask if Mr. Flores and I may be excused.
Yes, sir, you're excused.
Thank you.
677-382, stay safe, Bob. Isaiah Lee, attorney Joe Desrude. John
Isaiah
Desrude.
Lee.
Pardon
I'm
me,
here.
John, attorney John Desrude. And we got Isaiah Lee. I think you're in the courtroom, Mr. Lee.
No, sir. I only talked to my attorney one time and he told me not to call him back until after the hearing.
Are you Isaiah Lee?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, well, stick around. Wait till your attorney gets here. I'm marking
Your
him absent right now.
Yes, Your Honor.
And that's the docket for this morning. Wait. No, it's not. I got 3 add-ons, 1 person. 642-230, 653-753, and 662-599, all State versus Alejandro Vera, attorney, Andrew Del Cueto. All right.
Judge, this is your bailiff in the courtroom. On my docket on page 11, the last one, 677-396, has it been reset because the defendant is here?
677-396.
Yes, page 11.
He is present and his
Yes.
attorney is conferring, so he has to wait for his attorney to get through. That's Joshua Terrell, right?
Correct.
Yeah, he's I've got him marked present. His attorney is conferring.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Ashley Morgan, may I approach?
Ms. Morgan.
Hi,
Yes, ma'am.
Judge.
Give case number.
This is on cause number 655437. Mr. Deco is going to attempt to get his case, the unfiled case filed, and then we will do a DWI court evaluation once it's filed.
I'm sorry, say that again, Ashley.
On 655, hold on, I
Yes.
lost it.
437, that's Thomas.
Yes, and he is present still. He has an unfiled DWI. Mr. Deco is going to work on getting that filed so we can do a DWI court evaluation.
Okay, so how much time are we talking about?
30 days.
Very good. You have a 30-day reset. You have anything else, Ms. Morgan?
That's all, Judge. Thank you.
All right, then you're excused. So is Mr. Thomas. Y'all be safe.
Thank you.
Good morning, Judge Longoria. Hi, good morning, Judge Longoria. This is Stacy Krause.
Give me a case number, please.
It is 627377. It's on page 2, Christian Porter. And she is present, Judge.
Yes, marked her present. And Ms. Who is this? Ms. Kraus?
Yes,
Stacy?
Judge. Yes.
All right, very good. So what are you doing, Ms. Kraus?
Judge, I need to confirm the prosecutors for felonies were recently resolved. So now we have the misdemeanor left.
Wait. We got people making a little bit of racket. It's hard to hear. Try it again.
Okay. Her felonies, she had felonies pending. They've been resolved now, so we can start working on trying to resolve this. And so I just need to confirm with the prosecutor. Can my client be excused while I do that? We're not going to resolve the case today.
Ms. Porter,
Yes, sir.
at your attorney's request, I'm going to excuse you, so you're through for the day here. But you stay in close contact with Ms. Kraus. You hear?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're excused, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge Eduardo Jimenez, may I approach, please?
Hold on, Ms. Kraus. I've got you scheduled to confirm. Eduardo Perez, case number.
Eduardo Jimenez, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Eduardo
Case
Jimenez.
number 642564, Joel Hernandez, 642564.
642564.
Yes, sir.
Joel Anthony Hernandez, what you got?
Judge, he has a pending felony, a theft charge, 2,500 to 30,000 pending, and we're in discussions with the prosecutor Sylvia Ayojo about a package deal that would include this misdemeanor. So if we could have a 60-day reset, Your Honor.
The number you dialed is.
You want 60 or will 40 do?
40 would do, Your Honor.
All right, felony pending, 40 days. It doesn't sound terribly complicated. Otherwise, if you need more time, you can come back and let me know, Mr. Jimenez, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
May I
Anything
be
else?
excused? Okay.
Yes, sir, you and Ms. Hernandez are both, Mr. Hernandez are both excused. Thank you.
Thank you,
Stay
Judge.
safe.
Yes, sir.
Judge-
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Judge
Jesus,
Luis
Tim.
Martinez.
Yes, sir. I just want to make sure you're logged in. Oh, yes, I am. Okay, thanks.
Judge
Jim
Luis
Roundtree.
Martinez, may I approach?
Jim,
Hi, Judge.
Hi, Booker.
Good morning.
who
Can you
wanted
hear me,
to
Judge?
approach? Who
I
wanted-
do.
Hello, who wanted to approach?
Judge, that was Luis Martinez.
Okay, Louis, what case number?
It is 625248. Amanda Real, top of page 2.
625248. Amanda is present. What
She's
are you
present,
doing,
Judge.
Louis?
Judge, we
I'm
finally
here.
have an offer. I'd like to go ahead and set it for 30 days. I think it will resolve itself.
Reset 30 days for disposition. All righty.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
You're excused, Mr. Martinez. Take care and stay safe.
Thank you. Amanda, you can log off.
Judge,
now.
Judge, this is Tim Roundtree.
Yes, sir, Tim.
Morning. On page 10, Judge, I have Mr. Mendoza, the third case down, 75287
Hold on just a second.
on page 10, Judge.
Clip in here. Which one is it, Tim?
The third case from the top.
It'd help if I got on the right page. Okay, gotcha.
Got me.
Mendoza.
Judge, yes, sir. And he is present. This case is about 2 months old. We're still reviewing discovery. We have the driver's license hearing in about another month. So I would ask for a 30-day reset.
Reset 30, discovery. Okay, Tim, I think you have other cases, don't you?
Well, I hope not. That's the only one I know.
Okay, all right.
I
What else
think
you
I'm
got?
good.
If that's all
I
you
think
got,
that's it,
you're
Judge.
excused, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too.
Judge, this is Milton Butler.
Milton Butler the third.
Yes, I have this is on page 6. It's 661421 Cynthia Paloma. I've conferred, I've conveyed the offer to my client. She's agreed to accept it, so we need to get a date for a plea.
3 weeks will do.
I'm sorry, what's that?
Say 3 weeks will do. 3 weeks.
I will be on vacation from March 8th to March 11th, so we can't do it on those days.
All right. Let's give you just, so when are you through?
I'll be back on the 14th.
All right, then the floor is reset him for plea.
Okay, March the 14th.
That'll be fine.
Mr. Bain, will you send me and the prosecutors your client's email address so we can send out the paperwork?
I'm sorry, talking to me?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, what do I send?
Your client's email address so we can send out the paperwork.
To you
Yes, and the prosecutors.
and the prosecutors. Okay, I'll do that.
Okay,
Thank you.
who's next? Attorneys.
Judge Mary Peterzak here on 2 cases, page 1, Hector Gonzalez, and then page 6, Mala Williams. Miss Mala Williams is here. I'm not sure if Hector is here or
It's a
and
no
labeled
file.
himself as something different.
That's 662536, Mary, and that's no file on that one. So let's reset that. How much time, Linda?
No file, 60 days.
Well, Judge, I think we don't have a police report. We don't have anything, and I think this is we've been reset on this a few times already. I guess I'm just concerned about the cloud of criminality.
I know
that is
it's reset 5 times.
over my client right now due to these charges.
Mary, this case has been reset 5 times. If there's some kind of inordinate delay, you may want to do something about that, but that's your call. We're gonna
Understood,
reset
Judge.
it.
Thank you.
And what's the other case?
Yes, Judge, it was Hector Gonzalez on page 1, 536528.
5365, the number 1 case on the docket. And Mary Petracek is here, or as you say, sometimes, Peterzak. All right, what you got? Mr. Gonzalez decided not to show up.
Yes, Judge, I'm going to try to get him on. If I can confer with the state on that, and then I guess that's it.
I'm listing you and scheduling you to confer, but you're way down there.
I'll take it as I come. Thank you, Judge.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, attorneys, who else needs to check in?
Judge Julie Pollock.
Julie Pollock, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Case number?
Page 2, 729509.
That is Silverio Alonso. He is absent so far. He's been a fugitive and he's adding to it. He's also got felonies pending. Other than that, everything is wonderful.
He tells me he's in the process of hiring a lawyer on his felony MTR.
Well, he's adding some warrants because I'm going to put him as a failure to appear. And if you can have him contact us within 1 week, I will not issue a warrant myself, although it indicates here he is a fugitive with a warrant. I don't know what that's about. That's between you and he.
That's on the felony MTR. They won't appoint me on that, so.
Okay.
Or they
All right,
haven't
Julie.
yet.
You got anything else, or did you want to confer? or what?
No, that's it.
All right, Julie, then you're excused. Stay safe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
I'm sorry. This is Robert Garcia. I'm barely logging in. I had to turn on my Wi-Fi. It was cut off this morning.
Okay, who is this?
Robert Garcia.
Okay, what's your case number? We have 11
Actually, I
pages.
don't have my paperwork, sir. I don't know it.
So Robert Garcia.
Yes, sir.
All right.
668-984, Judge.
668,
Page 8.
page 8. All right, Robert Garcia.
Yes, sir.
There you are. All right, I'm marking you present.
All right, thank you.
Thomas Limon, your attorney, has not responded so far, so stick around.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney.
Excuse me, sir, this is Jason Bob Behrens checking in.
Bob Behrens.
Checking in for 629-185 Marcus Bolden. Scrolling through the screens to see if he's here, but I'm not seeing him yet.
He is not present so far.
Okay.
Marcus Bolden. Once again, Marcus Bolden. 958, no answer. So we've got him as a failure to appear, Bob. You produce him in 1 week.
All right.
Your Honor, did my lawyer get off?
Judge, I'll see if I have contact number for him and send him a text. Can I be excused?
Yes, sir, you are, Judge. Take care of yourself. Stay safe.
Have a good day.
Now, who was asking questions?
It's me, Your Honor, Marla Williams.
Mona Williams.
I was just asking if, oh, sorry.
I think you're excused, ma'am.
Okay, God bless and happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. You too. Stay safe.
I will.
Your Honor, Ivan Barrera here.
Ivan Barrera.
Yes, Judge, I have updates on my cases. The first one's on page number 3. Towards the bottom, 643-549.
That is Green, Sean Green. He was present. What are you announcing?
Yes, Judge, we're still missing the dash cam video on this case. The state's making a request. So it asked for a 21-day reset.
21-day reset. Discovery. You got it.
And then the next one, Judge, it's under it, 645-319.
He did not appear. So where are you at on that?
Yes, Judge, he's back on. Jason, can you announce for the judge?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. McCray.
Jason
All right,
McCray.
we've got you
Oh,
present.
sorry.
Ivan, what you got?
The wrong Jason.
Oh, Jason
yes,
McCray?
Judge, on this one, I can.
Hold on. Jason McCray. Jason McCray is still absent, right?
He was on, Your Honor. He did send me a message on chat saying he's on.
I'm here.
There he is.
Right, Alicia Garcia is your next one, 648-332.
Yes, Judge. And on that one, state needs some time to go over. I review the discovery. So 21-day reset on that one.
Very good.
And Judge, Mr. McCray is online. He did announce.
Jason McCray.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
All right. Your phone is Galaxy Note 10, something like that. Okay, I'll show you as present.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Ivan, you and your clients are excused.
Thank you, Judge. And on McCray, I don't think I give an announcement, but on that one, the state's tendered an offer. I'd like to relay it on my client so we can get a 21-day reset as well.
You got it.
Thank you, Judge. And Linda, what day does that land on?
I have March the 8th.
That'll work.
Okay. For all 3.
Okay, thank you, Linda. Yes, thank you.
All righty.
Approach, Your Honor, Brian O'Donnell. My client's on page 7.
O'Donnell.
Skylar Polk. He has not appeared yet today, Your Honor. I've tried to contact him. I believe he's at work. I did conference the matter with the state and they're offering a conditional dismissal.
It's on Polk, P-O-L-K?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So what are we doing with this since he didn't show up? You're going to produce him sometime today?
I'm going to try my very best, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank
Try to
you.
get him to report.
Yeah, be excused, Judge.
Yes, sir, Mr.
Thank you.
O'Donnell. You take care.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
Judge Longoria, Paul Goki speaking. May I approach the bench?
Oh, Goki.
How are you, sir?
I am well. How about you?
I'm doing well. David Drew appears on your first page. He was on, but didn't get unmuted after you called his name. I was not on, got on after that. We are here. I would like to confer, but that may be such a long line that you don't want to wait for that. I don't know.
I don't mind your conferring.
Yes, sir.
They've been eating up David Drew did not answer. Paul.
He's here. He should answer right now. David, speak up.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here.
Okay, very good, Mr. Drew.
Judge, he was actually on, but could not get unmuted in time.
You mean there was a problem with our computers?
Not yours. Probably with his right or left hand. But I wasn't on, Judge, so I can't be critical.
Not to worry. Okay, I'm going to list you for right now. I don't think it'll take long because they've been eating it up. It's over halfway through with the previous ones.
I will stand by and wait for prosecutor or just, I'll look for a sign to go in a breakout room, Judge.
All righty.
Thank you. Nice to speak to you.
Take care. Thank you.
Yes,
Stay
sir.
safe, Paul.
Yes, sir.
Judge, this is Miguel Hernandez. May I approach?
Miguel Hernandez III.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Please note.
I have missed.
Miguel, please note that I go out of my way when I announce somebody like that to enunciate very carefully.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate that.
Okay, what you got, Miguel?
I never liked the third, but that was my dad's doing. On page 11, I have a Miss Shara Zambrano. I don't know if she showed up. I tried contacting her, contacted the PR bond people. They gave me a new number that I didn't have. They gave me her mother's number and her brother's number. And I called everybody, finally left a message with her brother, is the only one, but I have not gotten a call back. So
all right, as of right now, Mike, she is a failure to appear. If you produce her within a week, there will not be a warrant. If, of course, the opposite of that is you don't produce her, there will be a warrant.
I will try to
you're
look for
excused. Did you have another one?
That was it, Judge. Not be excused.
Then for right now, you're excused. If she shows up for some reason, we'll let you know.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Judge, this is John Reitmeyer. May I approach?
Who is this?
John Reitmeyer. I'm here for Andres Silva Juarez on page 6, 659790.
On page 6. 651.
659790.
Oh, that's the very first one. Okay. Andres Silva Juarez did not appear.
He is present, Judge. We had some technical issues. I see him logged on right now.
Mr. Silva Juarez.
Yes, sir. I'm here. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. Very good. And Mr. Reitmeyer, what are you going to be doing this morning?
Yes, sir. We filed a motion for our blood discovery back in December. We're still waiting on it.
You still haven't gotten it?
That's correct.
Surprise, surprise, surprise. Just give you 60 days reset, blood pending, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Judge. May we both be excused?
You are both excused. Stay safe on this right line.
Judge, may I approach?
Who seeks to approach?
It is Mr. John Pettis to approach.
John Pettis.
Yes, Judge.
John Pettis, I sure need to talk to you. Give me your case number. That's 598357.
Yes, Judge.
Giselle Gonzalez Sanchez. She is present. I
Yes,
think
Judge.
you have the prize. This thing's been reset 25 times, Mr. Pettis.
Yes, Judge.
Woo!
Going for a new world record, Judge.
No kidding.
This is a special case, Judge, and I think we've come before you a couple of times to explain it. Originally she took a plea, but she was a member of DACA. She was given some bad advice by her immigration attorney. She has since gotten rid of that immigration attorney, gotten a new one. We filed a an appeal. The Bexar County DA's office's appellate division agreed with our motion, and we came together for an agreed order in the interest of justice to go ahead and pull back the original plea and place her back on the pretrial docket until she gets her citizenship. The problem is that we did that right before COVID, and then COVID hit, and immigration has been a slow moving process. So she is still waiting.
All
My
I can say,
assumption
John, is that I'm very much aware that the COVID has raped all kinds of people in places and cases. So what you got? Tell me the bottom line.
Bottom line is, Judge, the agreement between us and the state is that she remain on pretrial until she gets her citizenship, in which case she gets on probation. We go back on the original deal.
120 days?
Sorry?
Reset 120 days?
That'll work, Judge.
Reset 120, Linda.
Okay.
We'll make records with this case.
Yes, Judge. Let's do it.
Okay.
Me and my client and I be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir. And I
Y'all, good morning.
appreciate that she was here on time.
She was, Judge. I was not, as always.
I'm very much aware of that, Mr. Pettis. I'm very much aware of that. That's why I'm making it a point to show her appreciation. All right, John, take care. Stay out of trouble.
You too, Judge.
Attorneys, who wishes to? Okay, I see some hands here. John Stateson, Joe Stateson, I'm sorry.
Hello, Judge. I finished conferring on page 9. I have Jose Ortiz.
Page 9. This is quite a docket, 11-page docket. I gotta be flipping back and forth. All right, Joe Stateson on Jose Ortiz. Talk to me.
Yes, the prosecutor verified that there is a felony awaiting filing. It's not filed yet. Obviously, there's no warrant active. I don't have an update from the prosecutor's going to check the felony to see if there's a status on that. We can just get a
We're going to
reset.
start off with a 60-day reset, felony pending, unindicted, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Anything else, Joe?
That's the only client today. Have a great
Okay.
Tuesday.
Then you're excused for today. You and your client both, Ms.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Ortiz. Attorneys, let's see, I see another hand. Rick.
Morning, Your Honor. How are you, Judge?
Ramos. Mr.
Judge,
Ramos, talk to me, case number.
Jesse Vasquez, he's on the first page, Judge, 577041. He should be the
577041. Jesse Vasquez is absent so far. Is he here now?
let me give him a call, Judge. I thought I had just seen him log in. I'll get back to you.
He's not so far. Okay. Daniel Vela. Daniel Vela.
Yes, Judge, I'm here. Good morning again. I was here on Reynaldo Barrientos, Your Honor. 654098. Okay.
Okay, you're muffled. It's 654098. You said.
Yes.
All right, that's Barrientos.
Barrientos, yes.
He's
Reynaldo
present.
Barrientos.
What you got?
Okay, this one is an agreed dismissal, conditional dismissal.
Daniel, can you get closer to your microphone or something? It's real muffled.
You know what? Hold on 1 minute. Is that better, Judge?
Not really.
Is that? There's something going on with my speakers.
All right, just go ahead and talk to me, but talk to me slowly, like if I was an old man.
No, Judge, you're what? Just a day over 21, Your Honor. Judge, okay, so yeah, I hear it too. It's my speaker. Something's wrong with my speaker. Okay, it's a conditional dismissal. I've emailed Ms. Flores to let her know what's going on with it, and we just want maybe a 30-day reset.
All right, 30 days for conditional dismissal. Is that correct?
Yes.
March 22nd.
Okay. Mr. Vela, you're excused. Mr. Ramos del Cueto, let's see, who we got there?
It's Jason Todd for Ramos and Del Cueto, sir.
All right. That's the add-on, that's the bottom there.
Yes, Judge. And I believe my understanding is we reached out. He's turning himself in right now and making his bond.
All right.
Like as we speak. So if we could just get a reset.
That is not a problem. I do want to point out to you guys that Mr. Todd,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Todd, 642230 has been reset 8 times. So
Thank you, Judge.
You guys need to be aware that I need to move this case along some, okay?
I will. I appreciate the heads up, Judge.
All right, we're gonna give you a 45-day reset, get everything together, and let's get rolling one way or the other. If y'all
Yes,
need
sir.
pre-trial motions, fine. If you need trial setting, whatever, let me know.
Will do, sir. We appreciate you. Y'all take care.
Thank you. Stay safe.
All right, you too.
Okay, attorneys.
Hello,
Larry
sir.
Kravchik, what you got?
Yes, Judge. My client Hector Gonzalez on page 1, he is here, and I did get an offer from the state. The state wanted 14 days to convey an offer to me about that case.
How much time you need?
Judge, if we could just do like a 2-week or 30-day reset on that to give him more time.
Let's give you 2 weeks and we'll go from there.
Perfect, Judge. Yeah, state request 2 weeks, and then he is here, Judge, and also I talked to them about Mala Williams on page 6, and they're gonna get me that discovery. I think that's it, Judge. I think you said
Mala
60 days on
Williams.
her.
What are you doing with Marla Williams? I've reset
Yes, Judge.
already, right?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
And then may myself and my clients be excused.
Ms. Williams is already excused, and yes, you are too.
Thank you,
Okay.
Judge.
Just Longoria, Paul Opie speaking. I'm back in the breakout room.
Andrew Freelick. Andrew Freelick. You're muted, sir. Andrew, you're muted.
I think he's dual zooming, Judge.
Brian De La Rosa.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Sorry, I've been going back and forth. Let's see. First up, Aaron Lopez.
Right.
He needs to be, if I could please get him back on the trial docket.
All right. Aaron Lopez is on trial docket.
And Mr. Terrell, very last case on the very last page. The state needs a little bit of time to talk to the complaining witness. If I could just get a reset on that one.
Joshua Terrell. How much time do you need? Ordinarily, I'd say 30 days is more than enough.
Yeah, that should be good, Judge.
30, and that's going to be for disposition.
I don't know if that's going to be disposition, Judge. This is quite an interesting case.
We're going to find out. Okay. 30-day
Yes, sir.
reset.
Thank you.
What else we got?
May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Shane Kaiser.
Good morning, Judge. The prosecutor, Kenny Delco, we conferred. He's going to email me an offer. I'm going to email him the proof that we're not driving.
Shane, do me a favor and give me a case number.
Sorry, Judge. Todd Wyatt, 673931. 673931. Wyatt.
On page 9.
Yes, sir.
I think. Nope. 67.
3931. Todd Wyatt.
On the top
Page 10. Page 10, Judge.
Top of page.
Todd Wyatt, top to the top. Okay, what's the story? What's going on, Shane?
The prosecutor, Kenneth Delco, is going to email me an offer, check on any discovery, and I'm going to send him some documents as well. So if we could get maybe a 45-day reset, that would be fantastic.
All right, Shane, I'll give you 45-day reset then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, now we got back to Andrew Freilich. Are you ready?
Yes, I am, Your Honor. Thank you.
Talk to me.
All right, thanks. So we have Mr. Andrew Towey, Towey, it's 675737.
675.
I just said a bunch of numbers that don't make sense. It's 673757.
673757.
Affirmative, Your Honor.
Bottom of page 9.
Right.
The bottom of page 9.
Yes. That's Towey, Towey. What you got, Andrew?
We're going to set it for trial, Your Honor.
Okay. April 22nd, you'll have to appear for docket.
Thank you, Your Honor. Will we be excused?
You got anything else, Andrew?
Not that I'm aware of.
All right, then you're excused. Let me see who's back up. Randall Lewis. Randall Lewis. The race is to the swift. You're not answering. And you also got a cap on. What you need, Mr. Lewis? I cannot hear you if you're trying to talk to me. No, you got a problem, technology. All right, Ray Lopez.
Judge, I'm here on those two cases for Daniel De La Cruz. We've inquired to it. He's got
Give me some case numbers, Ray. Give me some case numbers.
662132.
662132, page 6.
He has a warrant pending out of a new felony case that he has hired Cesar Montalvo on, and they're
You know he's got
for
warrants.
that.
You know he's got warrants, right? And that is
Yes.
felony pending.
Yes, it's on a new felony, which he's hired counsel, and that counsel's working on getting him a bond reduction to square out that warrant. So
I'm
that's
gonna
where we're
reset
on.
this for 60 days, felony pending.
Thank you, Judge. And Judge, I also have a Juan Amaya, case number 664505. That one we need to set for a plea. I'm not sure if we can do that today or if that's going to be done another day.
664 what?
505. Juan Amaya.
4505. Guanamaya, okay.
That's going to be a plea, Judge. I don't know if you want us to do it today or set it for another day, but that's going to be a plea.
Have you got all the paperwork done?
I don't think we have any of the paperwork yet, Judge.
Then, Linda, how long do we need to reset this for a plea?
Can we set it for the 25th? And Ray, can you send me and the prosecutors your client's email?
All right, you got it?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Anything
Will
else, Ray?
No, Your Honor. I mean, my client's excuse.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Stephen
you.
Gilmore, are you waiting to talk to me?
Yes, Judge. I'm here on Adam Acosta. It's cause number 649164. It's on page 4.
649.
And he is present.
164. Adam Acosta was absent as when I called the
I'm
doctor.
Hang tight, Adam. He's here, Judge. He's his screen name is 168080 for some reason. So he is present. He has 4 new cases with no attorney or record assigned, and I have a motion to withdraw that's pending acceptance with the clerks on this case.
080, take your cap off, please. You're in the courtroom and on these proceedings. Thank you, sir. All right, now talk to me again, Mr. Gilmore.
Sure, Judge. So he's got 4 new cases with no attorney or record assigned, and I have a motion to withdraw that's awaiting acceptance with the clerks in 649164. So if I'm removed from this case, he would just need an attorney appointed on all 5.
And why are you seeking to withdraw?
I started with the public defender's office, Judge.
Oh, slight distinction here. Let me get this phone off the hook here. Okay, good. All right. Mr. Acosta?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we're gonna have to give you a new attorney because your current attorney is no longer available to represent you.
Okay.
So, Ms. Flores,
Yes.
Set up a communication with Mr. Acosta so we can give him a new attorney. He's got 4 cases pending. All righty.
Okay.
Okay,
And Linda,
Mr. Acosta, do not leave. Wait till Ms. Flores gives you a new attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
And we'll go from there.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Your Honor. This is Pedro Gonzalez. I'm just wondering, do I still wait for my attorney?
Who are you?
Pedro Gonzalez. I've been here since 9. I'm just waiting. I don't think my lawyer is gonna show up.
Okay, Mr. Gonzalez, who is your lawyer?
James Dwiggins.
James Dwiggins.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you ever talked to him at all?
Yes, Your Honor. I've been coming to court with him for already like 3 times, and he's been rescheduling. But this time I tried calling him and emailing him. He doesn't answer me.
Which case are we talking about, Linda?
I'm looking for Mr. DeWiggins.
I've seen his Dwiggins name. Obviously, I called it.
Oh, here it is, 664-360. Actually, Judge, it said no file. Page 7, Judge.
Right. Well, let's see, it's 10:23. Mr. Gonzalez, we're gonna wait till 11. And if your attorney does not appear, we'll look to possibly giving you another attorney, but we're gonna have to find out why he hasn't appeared today.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Judge, this is Stephen Gilmore again. Am I excused? I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks so much. I appreciate y'all.
Okay, take care. Stacy Kraus, what you got going?
Yes, Judge, I have Christian Porter. She's on page 2 of the docket, second one.
On what page? What page?
Page 2.
Page 2. Stacy Kraus, already.
I conferred with the state. They're making me an offer. I'm going to be reviewing that with my client. So just one more that should take care of this case, Judge.
Now, isn't this didn't they say that there was a brand new felony pending?
No, Judge.
Oh, okay.
He had felonies, but they've all been disposed of.
I'm sorry?
He had felonies, but they've all been disposed of.
Okay. So what are you doing on Mr. Porter?
I just need one more reset, Judge. And then we'll have an answer about what we're going to do next.
On Ms. Porter, I should say, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good.
So reset it. It's been reset 8 times, Stacy.
Yes, Judge, because of the felonies.
All right, so we'll reset it 30 days then, you said?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right,
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused.
you're excused.
Have a good day.
All righty. Attorneys, who needs to confer or announce?
Okay, Your Honor, I've been in a breakout room and conferred with the state.
All right, Paul. Paul, what you got? Case number?
First page, David Drew.
David Drew. What did he draw?
David drew the black bean when it came to being arrested. We're trying to deal with that.
He's got a DWI with blood alcohol content. That's been reset 19 times, Paul.
Yes, I know. I'm no stranger to that. I have countered the state's offer, and the prosecutor is going to look at the video to see the merits of my counter. And she has asked, and I together asked, that we be reset one time for her to decide if she wants to accept my counter.
All right. For DA to review.
Video, yes, sir.
Yeah.
And at the next setting, we'll be definitive about the direction of this. I told her that my counter would avoid further litigation, and maybe everyone's interest in that will prevail. I don't know.
All right, Paul, then you and Mr. Drew are excused. You didn't have any others, right?
I did not, sir. It's good to see you. Hope to see you in person again soon.
I think we're looking to mid-March to actually go live again.
Huh.
Thank you. You take care and stay safe.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
We're doing 30 days on this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
I'll watch my email, man.
It's gonna be March 22nd.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ricardo Ramos, did your client ever show up? Jesse
I
Vasquez?
believe, I think this might be him here on an iPhone, Judge. I just spoke with him. I know he was jumping on.
Well, what's your announcement? What are you doing?
Well, Judge, I believe there's been an issue. I asked Mr. Vasquez right now on the phone to call his counsel. He's hired counsel on this, Your Honor, but I don't believe there's been a notice of appearance that's been filed.
This is on an MTR?
This is on the MTR as well as some other cases that Mr. Vasquez has pending, Judge.
Well, that leaves us in the middle of nowhere. You're not representing him on the MTR. Is that what you're telling me?
As of right now, the system does show me, Your Honor, but Mr. Vasquez did confirm that he had already paid another attorney on it.
Okay, so he hired somebody.
He
Who
did,
did he
Judge.
hire?
The attorney, I believe, was Gil Coronado, who handled the actual DWI itself, Judge.
Okay, so Gil Coronado has been hired. And as of right now, this gentleman is a failure to appear.
Yes, but I just spoke with him again, Your Honor. He's going to be logging on. I told him to call Gil one last time and to make sure that he logs on so he doesn't get a warrant, Judge.
Okay, so far he's got a warrant going to show up. All right, you're excused, Mr.
This is him, Judge. He just logged in. I see him right now, Your Honor. It's connecting to audio.
All right. What's up, man?
Jesse Vasquez?
Yes, sir.
All right, stick around. Where's your attorney, Mr. Coronado?
I haven't got in contact with him. I just I believe we hired him already, and I haven't heard anything.
All right, well, we'll recall you in 2 weeks.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Mr. Vasquez,
What was that?
March 2nd.
March 2nd? Okay.
All right. Who else? Attorneys? No attorney wants to talk. That's unusual.
Thomas Lemon here, sir. I have a few clients.
The late Thomas Limon.
Sir.
You've got 2 or 3 cases, Mr. Limon.
Yes, sir, I do.
Let's talk about the first one. Which one is it?
The first one, Stanley Hayward, 654-821.
654 what?
821.
821. Alrighty, that's on page 5. Stanley Hayward, what you got?
I'd need to confer on that one. And on Bidance, I'm sorry, Biaru, it's gonna be tough to pronounce. Biarurama Bidance is my next one.
What's the case number?
621-205.
621?
Yes, sir. Nope, I apologize, sir. That's another court. Let me get the right one for you.
Might help. I don't see that number.
Yeah, no, it's Castillo Jimenez. This one's new, so I haven't had a chance to confer yet.
And which case number?
The case number for that one is gonna be one second. Should have had that ready.
984. On page
Okay.
8.
We got Hayward on page 5.
Mhm. And the other one is Robert Garcia, 668-984 on page 8.
Yes, and I have a room to join. Should I join that to confer?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anybody else?
Excuse me, Your Honor. This is Jason Vargas.
This is who?
Jason Vargas. I was wondering, if did you mark me present, sir?
I believe I did. Your attorney never showed up, Mr. Vargas. Mark LaHood.
Yes, sir.
Is there somebody showing up for Mark? Do anybody know?
I haven't heard anything. I'm gonna call his office right now.
All right, it's 10:35. The court's gonna take about a 10:33. I'm gonna take about a 12-minute break. Be back at 10:45. Linda, go ahead and take a break.
Jason Vargas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I spoke to your attorney's office right now. So we're gonna reset it for 2 weeks because of your felony pending.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's gonna be March the 4th, but
March the 4th?
Keep in touch with your attorney, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Sounds good. Am I dismissed or?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Excuse me, ma'am. Is there no way you can call my attorneys?
Who's your attorney, Mr. Gonzalez?
Jane Dwiggins.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
And could I speak with someone from the state? Kyle Ernst here.
Yes, I'll put you in a breakout room. Suzanne, do you need to confer or did you confer?
I did confer, Linda. I wanted to ask you, I think we're going to do a plea. But I didn't know. I've got a couple more pleas I need to go to if you wanted to do it this morning or bring us back another day.
Who is this one?
I've got Georgiana Lopez Travera, 671-604. She did go back to work, but I told her if the judge wants to do it today, she would need to jump back in. She's fine with that, unless she's still here. She might.
How about, can you send me your client's email address and then the prosecutors, the same thing, and that way we can send out the paperwork? Can we do it the 25th?
That would be great, very, very much, because it would be difficult for me to be able to get it done this morning.
Yeah.
I will send that to you. Okay, Georgiana just texted me. She's still in the Zoom. So if we can be excused and we'll put it on the 25th and I'll send everybody her email.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Linda.
And I have an announcement for the court whenever the court's ready.
Okay.
So it's Patricia Burley.
Yeah.
And it's 6. I just pulled it up. Hold on. It's 677-241. This is her first setting. She is present in the courtroom. Her email wasn't working this morning. We're present right outside the courtroom.
Okay.
And so the state's emailing me an offer. I've received most of the discovery, I believe all of it. Just asking for a regular reset so I can review the offer with her once I receive it shortly.
Okay, 30 days?
30 days is perfect.
March 22nd.
All right, sounds good. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
And your client is also excused. Mr. DeWiggins?
Yes, apparently I have a no file.
Hold on. Yes, on Pedro Gonzalez, 664-360. Yes, it is a no file.
Okay. So we're still waiting for blood.
Yes. Oh, yeah, I'm guessing that that's what it is. So do you want to do a 60-day reset?
That is fine. Thank you so much.
April the 19th.
Pedro, your next court date's April the 19th.
Okay, Mr. Duggins, thank you so much.
Thank you, Linda. I appreciate it.
Sure.
May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Limon?
Yes, ma'am. The prosecutor wanted me to double check with you on Jimenez Castillo. Looks like he hired a private attorney.
Jimenez Castillo. Is that 666-910?
Let me double check. It is 666-910.
Yes, he did hire an attorney.
Okay. Is the judge taking announcements right now or not quite yet?
Not quite yet. Unless you want to tell me, is this on Robert Garcia?
I have 3. Robert Garcia's two now that one has been hired. But yeah, I'm getting resets on both of them. I have offers I need to go over with my clients.
Reset. Okay, so Robert Garcia is one. Who's the other one?
Okay, sounds good. I'll be with you short. What was that, ma'am?
I found it. Hayward, right? Stan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are we doing?
I'm getting a reset on him to go over a new offer.
Okay, 30 days on Hayward?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do March 22nd. And what about on Robert Garcia?
a reset for him too. I need to get some mitigating evidence to the prosecutor.
Some evidence, okay. Some evidence to prosecute. Okay, did you want 30 on that as well, or?
Sure.
Okay, we'll do the same date, March the 22nd for both.
Okay, am I gonna get an email about that, or should
No,
I just?
this is what I'm telling you right now, that's it.
Perfect. I just wanted to make sure.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am. You have a great day.
you too.
Am I dismissed?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Torres?
Hey, Ms. Flores, I have apparently a Juan Moreno on the docket today, 613-476. I didn't see him on the actual email docket,
613.
476, but I have an email from you setting it on this date.
613.
It's just a JSAT plea.
It's just a JSAT plea. Have we done the paperwork on him?
No,
Okay, we haven't done it. Is he a Spanish speaker?
he is.
Yes, okay.
I think I have court in here tomorrow morning as well. I'm not sure that's something that you want to do, so you can get the interpreter ready tomorrow morning. It doesn't.
How about if we do it Friday? Can we do it on the 18th?
Let me ask him.
Okay.
Linda, Suzanne, real quick. Georgiana took today, she's been off until tomorrow for her sister's funeral. She has to go back Thursday. She was hoping we could do the plea tomorrow. She just doesn't want to miss any more work. She's afraid she might lose her job. I'm sorry, I butt in.
Fine. If you can send me, okay, well, I'll recall it for tomorrow. That's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Didn't send your.
I'm emailing it to you right now.
Okay, thank you. And then
Okay.
Tomorrow, and the prosecutors too, please.
Yes, I'll text Delco. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Very much. Bye.
Ms. Flores, I talked to Mr. Moreno. He said he can do it Friday. Do I need to email Ms. Haas?
Yeah, Miss Haas and Kenneth Delco.
Okay, maybe if I can just jump in there with Ms. Haas right now and just let her know it's going to be a JSAT plea, and then
I'll let her know. Just email us, like I said, his information.
Okay.
And hopefully, if I have any problems getting the interpreter, then I'll let you know. But other than that, it should be
Friday morning
for Friday.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ms. Flores?
Yes.
Hi, it's Georgiana. Am I dismissed, or do I just wait for my attorney to come back on?
Are you, Miss Georgiana, you're the one who's going to plead?
Yes.
Okay, so you're excused for tomorrow when we're going to do the plea for you, okay?
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Linda, we've got George Sherman is absent on two
Yes.
cases, I think.
Yes, I'm calling his office right now.
And we've also got Mark LaHood.
Yes. Oh, actually, I think somebody's going to be logging on for his. Or hold on. Where are you? Actually, Judge, they asked if that one could be reset for 2 weeks. So I told him March the 4th because of the felony pendings. Okay. And then let me get Mr. Sharman on the phone.
Mr. Limon already checked in on, did he confer
Yes, sir, he did.
on Hayward?
Yes, we're resetting him.
It's okay, just, you're the one that has to know the dates.
Excuse me, Judge. This is Stanley Hayward. Hello?
Speak up.
Excuse me, Judge. This is Stanley Hayward. I was wondering, If I could be excused, and what was the next date?
Yes, sir. You're excused. Stick around just a moment. Ms. Flores, would you give Mr. Hayward the new date? Your attorney should also be in touch with you, Mr. Limon.
Okay.
He should let you know, but we'll, as courtesy, we'll let you know right now.
Okay, thank you.
She's momentarily on the phone.
Okay, on Mr. George Sharman's cases, they're asking for us to recall it for Friday. On
Recall on Friday.
Juzgado and
Okay, now, Mr. Hayward is waiting 654-821. Mr. Limon's client, he'd like to know the new date.
March 22nd.
You got that, Mr. Hayward?
Okay, thank you. May I be excused?
Now you're excused. Yes, sir, certainly.
All right, thank you. You have a good day.
You too, stay safe.
Excuse me, Judge. This is Aaron Hurtado. I'm George Sharman is my lawyer. Am I reset for Friday then?
Yeah, they're gonna recall it Friday.
Yes.
Okay. Excuse me.
Otherwise you're excused from the day. Has Ed Piker checked in?
Yeah, I'm right here looking at you.
There he is.
I see you.
All right, on Randall Lewis.
Yes.
What are you doing? Have you conferred or are you going to confer?
I would like to confer. Last time I talked to Ashley Haas.
I don't know if she's with us anymore. They moved her. But
okay.
Kenneth Delco.
Kenneth Delco. All right. Thank you.
She's still with us. She's not leaving till the 22nd, I believe.
Okay, how about William Chumley? Where is he? Does he checked in?
No, and I'm trying to call him. Let me try again.
Anybody else? I see Barry Hitchings. What are you up to, Barry?
Oh, I had meeting with Judge Ray Angelini covering for County Court 11, and then I finished with Judge De Leon in County Court 7. And I'm trying to figure out if I've got a Zoom hearing in County Court 8, but I thought I would come by here first. This case, I was appointed exactly 1 month ago in January the 15th. I believe it's the first setting.
Barry, do me a favor, give me a
case number.
Yeah.
Case number 677327. Joe Badillo discharging a firearm in a municipality over 100,000.
677327.
327. And I think it was on page 11.
Yes, sir. So what are you doing, Barry?
Well, my client had called and talked to me, gave me his email address and a good phone number. I emailed him the setting.
He showed up.
Oh, he did? Oh, okay. Because when I usually try to call clients to confirm they got the email, and the phone number I got, it said subscribers not in service. So I wasn't sure that he got the email or not, but if he showed, then he got my email. So anyway, I just wanted to talk to a prosecutor about what they're willing to offer on this case, and I'll pass it on to him and see what he wants to do.
All righty. then you're scheduled to confer. You're probably right up at the top of the list now because everybody
Okay.
else has been through the mill already. John, does Rude ever show up?
No, not yet. And I'm still trying to get in touch with that person too. And Mr. Chumley, I left him a message.
Sorry?
Mr. Chumley, I left him a message.
And Your Honor, if I may interrupt, this is Nathan Slimane checking in for Christopher Huerta on page 8. He's let me see, second one down on from the top of page 8.
Christopher Huerta, Mr. Slimane.
Yes, Your Honor.
What are you doing today?
Well, Judge, there are a number of other cases, felony cases that involve the same complaining witness that apparently the consensus is we need to let those drive the train to decide if those are going to proceed or not. If they are, whether or not this case is going to proceed, we've just kind of decided to leave it in the hands of the felony prosecutor. So at this time, I'd be asking for a long reset, if I may, because this is the felony cases have not even, as far as I can tell, been filed. We're not even close to indictment or anything.
So let's give you a 60-day reset, felony pending.
Yes, Your Honor, please.
All righty.
Very good. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
And Mr. Huerta and I excused.
Yes, sir, you are.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good week.
You too.
Judge, just had Piker on back.
Didn't take long.
Well, Kenneth was reading the file and he saw what they were trying to do in January. They did try to reach a witness in February 2nd. They were unsuccessful. Kenneth would like one more chance at reaching out to the witness.
Okay, give me that case number, Ed.
Yes, sir. It is 661233, Randall Lewis.
Okay, so bottom line, what are you gonna do?
Well, he's going to try to contact the witness one more time. Bottom line, I think if they get the same no response, I believe there's a pretty good candidate case for a dismissal.
So we're gonna give you 3 weeks, should be more than enough.
I would think so.
March the 3rd,
March 3 or 4, did you say?
March 3.
3? Yeah, March 3 would be fine.
Okay.
So my client's excused as well.
Both of you are excused. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good morning.
You too. Stay safe. So where are we on Chumley, Linda?
I left him a message. There was no answer. And on this Rude, 677382, he's in mediation. So we're gonna reset it because it's in no file.
When we set it to win?
60 days, 419.
Did his office contact us and let us know that he wasn't available?
Well, no, I contacted them and then they called me right back. and told me that he's in mediation, so he wouldn't be able to get out of it.
Make a note that they did not have the courtesy to let us know. We've been waiting all this time.
Okay.
Now, what did we do with Barry Hitchings? 677-327 on page 11.
Mr. Hitchens got off. I was on the phone, so I didn't catch that.
Did he already confirm?
Oh, you know what? I think I put him in a breakout room. Hold on. Yes, he's in a breakout room. That's where he is.
Okay, so he's,
Sorry.
he is,
Mhm.
all right. Did you meet with Dion Todd about reapplying for a court?
No, once we're done, sir, I will go into the courtroom and talk to them.
All right, so that's still pending.
Yes.
Linda, for John Disrute's client, he's in the courtroom. Is he excused? Lee, Isaiah?
Yes, let him know that it's reset to April the 19th.
April 19th. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Linda,
Monday.
on page 2, Mark LaHood's case, what did we, 627-923, what was determined or what was done?
We're resetting for 2 weeks because of the felony pending, and they think that ours may be dismissed because of the felony pending, and those are set for February 22nd. So I've reset them for March the 4th.
Okay. Bob Barron's case, the fellow's the FTA, right?
Yes, that one was an FTA, and so was Julie Pollock.
And then we have the next case after Barron's is Hurtado. I know he was here. That's George Sherman's. Okay, that's being recalled
Yes.
Friday.
Yes, both of Mr. Sherman's cases are being recalled to Friday, which is Hurtado and Franco, James Franco.
Very good. All right. Mr. Belivo's client 652407 is a failure to appear, right? Sir, say
Yes. Canedo, yes.
then Frank Muniz on Michael Romo, neither one showed up, right? Neither Romo nor Muniz.
Where are you, Judge?
I'm sorry, 649-640 on page 4.
Yes, that was an FTA. Yes, Michael Romo, yes. I got
And
it.
Mr. Muniz never appeared either,
Never
right?
appeared either, no. Mm-mm.
Judge, this is your bailiff. Is there any way that we can go over the FTA so I can mark them on my end, please? At your convenience?
Sure. I'm trying to square my docket away first. Now, on William Chumley,
Yes, sir.
Sergio Trevino been sitting here. What did we find out?
He hasn't returned my call. I left a message.
All
It
right,
went straight to his voicemail. And he's no, he's not here, Judge, on Trevino. He's in jail.
right. Uh, 663-626 on page 7. That was Mr.
O'Donnell's.
Donald's
and
case. What
yes.
is done on that?
She was an FTA.
Okay. And Brandon Garcia is applying for a court appointed, right? On the same page at the top, 663-155.
Yes, yes. Yes, he's gonna apply for court appointed. Yes.
On page 8, Andres Campion never showed up, right?
Showed up, no.
And Ms. Blancarte has been waiting all this time.
Mhm.
All right. And 668984, same page, page 8, Robert Garcia. That was Thomas Limon's case. What did we do with that?
Reset 30 days to March the 22nd. Needs to give some evidence to the DA, he said.
So the only one on page 8 is Andres Campion.
Yes, he's the only one.
And we have page 9. Suzanne Kramer's case, Lopez Chavira, that's been squared away.
Yeah, they're coming back tomorrow.
Louis Levine on Michael Zamora.
Right, well, Mr. Zamora was running late, but Mr. Levine, I have him as an FTA.
Yeah. James Mayra, 674251. Kobe Sullivan did not appear. Is that correct?
Correct.
Huh. Well, that's weird because I get emails from the complainant all the time. Okay. Well, I'm sure there's a way to find him. Can I speak to the prosecutor?
Sure.
Okay.
Where you been, Mr. Mayra?
Downstairs on basement floor and doing records search. I don't get internet down in the basement floor of the courts building.
All right. So you are scheduled to confer. Are the DAs available, Linda?
Yes,
Are they there?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
677241. Burley has been here, but Kyle Ernst has not.
Yes, and we're resetting that one to March the 22nd.
Okay. So, except for Ms. Mayra's case, everything is cleared on page 10.
Mm.
And on page 11, that's cleared.
Great.
So. All right, Deputy,
Yes, Judge.
failure to appear.
Yes, sir.
Six two nine one 185. Marcus Devon Bolden.
Yes, sir, I got it.
All right. Then we have 629509. Silverio Alonso.
Yes, sir.
He has another case, Michelle.
Okay.